There's not even a single ground which says it's ultra vires. Which provision is ultra vires of?
Where is your?
My lord, the order starts at page 10.
Let's read the operative part.
Page 12, my lord.
Page 12?
At page 12, para 4.
No, ये तो legally under challenge है. But what have they?
These are the discussions.
No. Can you read paragraph 7?
My lord, then we go to the speaking part, which is para 7 and 8.
नहीं 7 पढ़ें.
Ji, 7. Keeping in view the importance of the legal interpretation of the constitutional provision having legal effect deeply connected to the raised national issue.
Where is the constitution provisions? There's no constitution.
There is no. The whole order is silent as to which.
I don't know. Let's read it further.
Having legal effect deeply connected to the raised national issue, office is directed to place this file before the Honorable Chief Justice for constitution of a larger bench. Page,
but he is not passed in an order.
My lord, these are the reasons. Para 5, 6 and
8 फिर क्या कहते हैं?
8 is the suspension order. Notice. Meanwhile, the notification dated सारे के सारे 11 December 2023 issued by the Election Commission of Pakistan appointing the DROs, ROs, assistant returning officers from executive shall remain suspended. Shall remain suspended. So there is a complete.
One second, I fail to understand. If a judge is passing an order for constitution of a larger bench, then judicial propriety demands that he stays his hand.
Yes.
Now how can then he pass an order? Either he passes an order and doesn't say the matter be placed before the Chief Justice. Then the Chief Justice has been given a fait accompli. You do what I ask you to do.
In fact,
either you request the Chief Justice of the Constitutional Larger Bench, or you don't make this request and you just proceed with the matter.
Yes, my lord.
So, has the Larger Bench been constituted?
It has been constituted for Monday.
Who is heading the Larger Bench?
The very honorable judge.
The same judge?
The same judge.
2 other judges.
And five-member bench.
This is very strange. So what is the purpose of this petition?
In fact,
let's look at logically.
My lord.
Now, who have you appointed? Have you appointed people of some political party as ROs or DROs?
No, my lord.
Who have you appointed?
These are a mix.
एक पे चलते हैं ना.
My lord.
There are 4 notifications.
Ji.
Let's take the first one.
Notifications are at page 27.
One at a time करें.
My lord. It starts at page 27, my lord. The notification.
This is for DROs.
These are DROs.
11th of December.
So notifications all across the country have been suspended?
It's all across the country.
In Sindh and Balochistan also?
My lord, this notification is across the country.
How many DROs in the country? कितने DROs appoint हुए?
Per district, every district
कितने हैं? Total कितने हैं सारे?
85.
अच्छा ये पहला वाला देखिए. I'm told it's 144.
It gives the total number, my lord.
ये इन्होंने शायद हिसाब लगा लिया.
ये जरा कैलकुलेट कर लें कि DROs और AROs total कितने हैं all Pakistan?
Total is 148 DROs.
नहीं total AROs, DROs all over Pakistan कितना है total figure?
AROs is 148.
148.
और ROs कितने?
AROs हैं, ROs हैं.
चलिए आप इनको हिसाब लगा के देखें, ऐसे बातें ना करें, कागज के टुकड़े
फिगर दे देना हमें total figure.
गिन के बताइए.
859 ROs.
अच्छा नहीं, हम जरा इनके नाम देखना चाहते हैं किसको आपने अपॉइंट किया है.
My lord.
ये रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर पेज 27 पे कौन है ये लोग? पेज 27 पे आपने पहला बताया ना ये.
This is the reserved seat वाला notification.
तो देना कौन है DROs किसके ये रिश्तेदार?
These are from our own offices.
पढ़ देना, designations पढ़ देना, नाम ना पढ़ें.
Mohammed Freed, Additional Director General Elections 1, Election Commission of Pakistan.
तो ये तो चैलेंज भी नहीं हुआ और सस्पेंड हो गया.
ये तो सारे आपके अपने
ये तो हमारे अपने हैं.
हमने चैलेंज ही नहीं किया पिटिशनर.
नहीं किया.
उसने तो खाली कहा था कि सिर्फ जो एग्जीक्यूटिव
there was a CM file, उसके अंदर ने कहा कि ये वाला भी इंक्लूड करें.
Even though the varies is only challenge.
तो फिर आप भी इलेक्शन ना कराएं, एग्जीक्यूटिव भी ना इलेक्शन कराएं, जुडिशियल ऑफिसर भी ना इलेक्शन कराएं, तो एक्चुअली ऑब्जेक्टिव इज नॉट टू होल्ड इलेक्शंस देन.
That is prima facie the intent.
The varies of section 51B has been challenged. This is under A.
Yes.
ये तो चैलेंज ही नहीं हुआ ना,
or these all have been suspended.
ये तो आपके अपने दफ्तर के मतलब अपने इलेक्शन कमीशन के लोग हैं।
जी, this notification जो कि रिजर्व शीट फॉर वुमेन के लिए है वो हमारे ऑफिस।
अगला वाला पढ़ें।
नेक्स्ट इज पेज 29 पे।
अब ये कौन है DROs?
ये DROs है जी, मोहम्मद इरफानुद्दीन,
नाम नहीं बताएं, डेजिग्नेशन बताएं।
डिप्टी कमिश्नर अपर चतराल।
तो ये तो सारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स हैं
जी, सारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर।
तो ये इसमें तो आपने, हम देखना चाह रहे हैं कि क्या आपने कोई पिक एंड चूज की है?
नो,
ये तो आपने
इन फैक्ट
एक सेकंड, ये सारे इस पेज पे डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स हैं, दूसरे, तीसरे, चौथे, पांचवे, छठे, ये तो सारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स।
ऑल आर डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स।
तो DROs आर डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर्स।
दे आर द
तो इसमें आपने कोई मतलब ये नहीं
There
कि
is no picking.
एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट से एक को लगा दिया, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट से दूसरे को लगा दिया।
DROs are all deputy commissioners of the relevant districts.
माशाल्लाह। तो अब तीसरा नोटिफिकेशन कहाँ है?
तीसरा नोटिफिकेशन है जी पेज 39 पे जी। 39 पे माय लॉर्ड। It's 11th December. Additional Deputy Commissioner General
ये भी सारे आपके एडिशनल कमिश्नर
Additional Deputy Commissioner without any discrimination. बल्कि when the
नहीं, तो आपने कोई पिक एंड चूज नहीं की?
no.
They were posted as
They were posted, already posted. In fact, जब हम the caretaker government came, we issued a directive के shuffle और the appointees जो कि पिछली वाली governments के थे या वो सारे, and all the deputy commissioners and the higher administrative machinery was actually shuffled. So these are actually
when
working.
was that? The shuffling?
ये डिफरेंट टाइम से होती है, ये फरवरी से शुरू हुई है शफलिंग करवाने, क्योंकि प्रोविंस ऑफ पंजाब द इलेक्शन हैड टू टेक प्लेस एट दैट टाइम।
Who is the gentleman barrister Umair Khan Niazi?
My lord, he says he is the general secretary.
Has he attached any authority from the party itself?
No, there is none.
It's just one
He's just one individual.
One individual person has come and challenged the notifications of all Pakistan DROs.
Sabotage the whole
Is he
process.
related to, because the word is Niazi, is he related?
I have no idea, my lord.
I don't know.
That's no concern, but
And who have been प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, इनको भी पार्टी बनाया हुआ है?
जी, उनको भी पार्टी बनाया।
उनका क्या काम है इससे?
प्रेसिडेंट, because the president had announced the date.
तो फिर बेसिकली दे डोंट वांट इलेक्शंस टू टेक प्लेस।
Want elections to take place.
The president and the election commission together, if I remember, वो हमारा ऑर्डर किधर है जो हमने पास किया था?
That is at page the 3rd of January 224, my lord.
हाँ?
2 to 4, page 2 to 4
2
of the petition, my lord. And the speaking.
इसमें तो पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ इज वन ऑफ द petitioner. इसमें तो हमने वाज़े तौर पे लिखा हुआ है, पेज पैराग्राफ 18 में पढ़िए
जी मालो, पैरा 17 your lordship.
पैराग्राफ 17 या 18?
पैरा 17, it starts at पैरा 17 and
18 पढ़ते, वो तो जरा पूरी हिस्ट्री दे रहे हैं।
18 is the President of Pakistan and the Election Commission have announced the date for holding of general elections to the National Assembly and the provincial assemblies. The federal government, the provincial governments and the Islamabad Capital Territory have concurred. The matter of holding the general election on 8th February stands resolved. No one should now put forward any pretext to derail democracy.
No, but shall we issue a contempt notice?
Exactly.
No, isn't this word clear? No one should now put forward any pretext to derail democracy.
The timing is very important.
Sorry, this is Barrister Umar Khan Niazi, then this is a violation of the Supreme Court order.
It's a violation of my.
And this petition is entertained and interim order passed, and then the larger bench is constituted, which is again headed by the same judge.
The lordship, and so much so, there is a clear verdict, 12-member bench, कि provision of the law till it is actually declared. It's not as this case कि आप उसको operationally suspend
लॉ
कर
को
सकते
छोड़ दीजिए, हम आइन पे चलते हैं ना।
Your lordship.
आइन में आप ये किसका काम है इलेक्शन करवाना?
Election Commission.
कौन सा प्रोविजन है?
218 and 19, my lord.
218 and 19.
And 19, my lord.
Mr. Swati, while we read this, ये जरा बताएं कि petitioner ने क्या कहा कि ये तकरीबन 1000 आदमी बन रहा है ना?
जी.
Something like this.
जी.
1014 बंदे.
1014 बंदे जो हैं, इसमें से क्या इनके बारे में क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
ये कह रहे हैं जी कि MPOs के ऑर्डर भी यही DCs पास कर रहे हैं, वो तो अंडर द लॉ उन्होंने ही पास करने।
ये सारे मतलब
सारे के सारे हटा दें और जुडिशियल
आपको हो सकता है ना कि ये मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में आपने खास बंदा लगा दिया है।
वन ऑफ होता तो शायद वी कुड हैव एंटरटेन्ड दैट कि जी एक बंदा बायस्ड है।
यही मैं सवाल आपसे पूछने वाला हूँ इस पिटिशन से फाइल करने से पहले उन्हें आपको कोई दरखास्त दी बराए करम ये कर दीजिए?
नो माय लॉर्ड,
स्ट्रेट अवे हाई कोर्ट,
स्ट्रेट अवे हाई कोर्ट। और अभी 5 दिन पहले
1014 जो भी लोग हैं ये सारे वो क्या कहते हैं पिटिशन में, दे आर बायस्ड।
they say कि they belong to the machinery of executive और executive के ऊपर हमारा ट्रस्ट नहीं है, तो इसलिए जुडिशियल साइड से होने चाहिए।
तो फिर वो ये भी कह सकते हैं हमें जुडिशरी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं है, उनके कहने से क्या होगा?
In any case, this is part of the law, which somebody could have challenged, and as pointed out earlier, elections have taken place.
Yes.
तो इस तरह और कब शुरू हुआ ये, कब अपॉइंट हुआ और कितनी ट्रेनिंग हो गई अभी तक? What has happened?
Lord, 11th of December को ये अपॉइंट हुआ है
और अभी तक
और 3 दिन हमने ट्रेनिंग, there were 7 days training, 3 days training took place, then we had to hold the training in compliance with the interim
तो ये
order
बताएं कि
why you hold it?
because the notification was suspended.
नोटिफिकेशन सस्पेंड हुआ, ट्रेनिंग तो सस्पेंड नहीं हुई थी। अगर उनकी ट्रेनिंग हो जाती तो क्या फर्क पड़ना था?
ये ऑर्डर कब पास किया इन्होंने?
ये कल पास किया 13th को, परसों।
And when was the election program due?
आज 15th को। ट्रेनिंग एक दिन हुई है सर,
है जी?
ट्रेनिंग सिर्फ एक दिन हुई और 7 दिन की ट्रेनिंग थी।
इधर कोई पीटीआई का कोई है? नहीं, हम मुझसे समझना चाहते हैं ना भाई वजह क्या थी ये करने की।
नहीं देखें, आप ये भी तो देखें वो बंदा इंडिविजुअली कर रहा है, नाम वो यूज हो सकता है, तहरीक इंसाफ का नाम यूज करता हो। कौन लोग हैं जो नहीं चाहते कि इलेक्शन हो?
यस,
ये बताइए, इसके बारे में बताएं। कौन लोग हैं जो इलेक्शन नहीं चाहते? इस तरह ओपनली कौन कह सकता है कि नहीं? और फिर हमारे ऑर्डर के खिलाफ जब हमने कह दिया कि इसको कोई नहीं डिरेल करेगा, तो कौन डिरेल कर रहा है? पीछे कौन है?
We don't know, my lord. This is very strange kind of intervention, I would say. Contrary to law, the timing is very
this
precarious.
constitution पे आप बता रहे थे whose responsibility it is to hold elections?
Election Commission, my
Which is that provision?
218 and 219, my lord.
तो फिर मेरे ख्याल में जज साहब ही इलेक्शन करवा लें फिर। आप तो क्या उनको कह दें वो इलेक्शन करवा लें? मतलब यू नो आई सॉरी वी आर वेरी क्लियर। आपको याद है जब आपकी पिटिशन ये चल रही थी हमने कहा हम आपका काम नहीं करेंगे, अब आपसे मगर हम आपका काम करवाएंगे आपसे। बिल्कुल, बहुत फर्क होता है दोनों चीजें में। बिल्कुल, तो फिर मेरे ख्याल में आप अब ये सॉरी दिस इज आई एम रियली सरप्राइज ऐसे ऑर्डर्स पास हो रहे हैं जुडिशरी से। किधर है वो आपका कौन सा प्रोविजन है?
218 का 3 and 219 का D। 218 3 218 का
Swati, in their petition before the High Court, what is the precise allegation against the 1,000 people? क्या है इनको प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
They generally attack it कि executive जो है free and fair election नहीं करवाएगी।
As a concept,
not any individual.
No, but not at this stage when the election process has begun.
Has begun.
सारा आपके पास टाइम था, आप लॉ को चैलेंज करते जो मर्जी करते।
More than 6 years, these two provisions had been on the statute book. And the timing is very precarious. Just
ये अटॉर्नी जनरल को सुना?
एडवोकेट जनरल को जी सुना। एडवोकेट जनरल को अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफिस को भी।
Were you called for
the additional attorney general was?
No, yourself.
Gee, notice was under 27A. Notice was issued, but the additional attorney general had appeared.
No, you didn't appear.
I did not.
Why?
To be honest, I was not aware of this petition. I only came to know about the order when the order was passed in the evening day before yesterday.
Late in the
That's a very serious statement you're making. The Attorney General of Pakistan was bypassed.
I was in the Supreme Court.
If the judge is there, he should first of all ask where is the Attorney General of Pakistan. I'm going to pass such a very strong order. He should have asked where is the Attorney General, call him, then they could have sought time or whatever. But the office in the Constitution is not of the additional.
That's right.
There's a very clear demarcation. There is no constitutional provision of additional Advocate General. That's by the law.
That's by law.
The Article 100 of the Constitution says Attorney General of Pakistan. Did he solicit advice from you? The additional, sir, I've received this notice. What do you want me to do?
So
he
did speak with me, and my instructions were to oppose the petition, and which is duly recorded in the order.
No, but आपने कहा आपको बाद में पता
मुझे
चला।
उस दिन सुबह उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि इसमें अब
किस
क्या
दिन
होना
सुबह?
है when the order was passed, the morning
नहीं,
when the
बट ये
order was
नोटिस तो
passed.
पहले दी गई थी, तो पहले क्यों नहीं पूछा उन्होंने?
ये उस वक्त मैं उसका
It was on a day-to-day fixation, my lord. 13 से पहले एक दिन पहले भी फिक्स हुआ। 12 को हुआ, फिर 13 को हुआ, अगले दिन very next day it was.
अच्छा, अगर ये कल बलूचिस्तान में एक पिटीशन फाइल हो जाती है, वो पंजाब के रोक देते हैं, सिंध वाले खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के रोक देते हैं।
जी।
It's very strange.
जसवाती ये बताएं कि ये जो पीरियड है 7 days का ट्रेनिंग है
7 days.
and then the program election program kicks in on the 15th आप जो होना था normal times में जो
Normal time में आज जो है
program
15,
आना था
and we were going to continue it in parallel to the issuance of the election
and
program.
when is the actual job of the DRO RO in the program that comes into action?
That's the last date for filing of the nomination.
मतलब
लेकिन वो
time
पहले दिन से शुरू हो जाती है because on the very
Nothing
first
much
day.
has gone wrong in the sense that they can get back to some sort of training and
हम 3-4 दिन पीछे चले गए हैं, but we are very tightly
training में
fixed
training पे short हो गई
जी जी
लेकिन I remember not the last elections when I was Chief Justice Balochistan. We had conducted the court till 2:45 in the morning.
बिल्कुल सही.
So these matters, on the 11th hour, a petition is filed, not the 11th hour, beyond. And now you are in that danger zone where fallout will be delay of elections.
Absolutely,
But they were waiting and seeing till that point of no return comes, then file the petition. And doesn't the learned judge realize all these things? Has he assumed the responsibilities of the Election Commission of Pakistan? Would it constitute misconduct on the part of the judge
In fact, it was.
if he's violating an order of the Supreme Court?
In fact, it was also highlighted.
Please assist us.
जी, my lord.
ये नहीं जो मर्जी you wear a gown and then pass any order you want to.
You cannot. When they under Article 189, the learned judge is bound by the.
He's not only passed an order in the territory of Punjab. He's passed an order for the whole of Pakistan.
Notification, all four, the set of notifications have been suspended.
आपने इसका कोई जवाब दिया था वहाँ पे? इसका पिटीशन का कोई जवाब दिया?
No, my lord, there was none. 12 को फिक्स हुई है और 13 को दोबारा उन्होंने कहा जी कि आके आर्ग्यू करें.
I think the best course for the judge was to say that the matter they should approach the Supreme Court in the light of the earlier
In the light
order.
of the earlier order, 3
Especially the
11 का.
notification is outside the territory of the Punjab.
Very, very true. Hello.
Attorney General, does it constitute misconduct?
My lord, I have to go through the code of conduct, but if there was a Supreme Court
Clear
order,
provision of the Constitution.
clear provision of the Constitution,
Does he
there is a
refer to
Supreme
an
Court
order?
No, it does not. And there was a Supreme Court order which
No, he doesn't refer to the order.
It does not.
He doesn't refer to a constitutional provision.
No, my lord.
He passes an order beyond the territory of Punjab.
So appears, my lord. And my friend has just informed me that the learned additional attorney general, my additional attorney general, in Lahore actually argued this point.
No, we may even issue contempt notice to the petitioner. I mean, he's a lawyer. He pretends to be a lawyer at least. How is he acting against the order? If he has a grievance, come to the Supreme Court. We pass the order. He claims to be representing a political party. On the basis of their petition, we had ordered elections.
That's right, my lord.
So what is this?
That's right.
So there are two things. One is that perhaps the best course would be that because there was a matter pending here, a direction had been given by the Supreme Court. The best course was for the High Court that take the matter to the Supreme Court.
That's
one. Number two, the notification is such that it covers all the provinces.
That's right.
So one High Court dealing with one province cannot deal with that. There is a judgment also which in a CSS matter, the idea was to go to the Supreme Court because you can't upset. I mean, you're actually upsetting the other provinces who don't want to.
I believe there's a
My lord
division
was
bench judgment of my lord was heading the division
That's right.
bench.
Where
And,
the CSS exam was challenged,
Yes.
and they said if one province will do it, it will affect the entire exam for all
will
the
affect
other
all
provinces. So suppose people sitting in Balochistan and Sindh would like to go ahead, they are also affected. Sara dysfunctional ho gaya.
Sara, notifications have been suspended throughout.
Attorney General, is he the same judge who had passed that order in the electricity petition? 1,600 or 1,100 petitions came before us.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, this is not on. You have to stay within the confines of the Constitution. We take oath to abide by the Constitution, the law, and Article 189 is bound on him, on all courts. I mean, he's really upset our order. He's sort of disregarded our order.
लिख के बोलो।
क्या आपको चाहिए शाइनी बाल?
सनसिल्क ब्लैक शाइन में है 5 नेचुरल